Hey, what's taking my friend so long? I've been waiting for like 15 minutes. We're at a pizza party right now.
Hello.
Toadette, I'm so glad you can make it.
Yeah. No.
I felt like you never come.
Yeah, I'd always come.
Come on, the car's over here.
I thought it was that way.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Oh my gosh.
My garage has a unicorn inside of it.
Okay.
Oh, little brother, what are you doing in my pink car?
Wow.
I'll take a selfie of you.
What? You can't take a selfie. You have to get you inside it. Well, okay. But I was just seeing if the new car had seat belts.
Hey, why is there scratches all over my new car?
I kind of took it for a test drive on the new course. You got it?
Yes, I got it.
Oh, well.
I'm gonna go tell Mama.
No, I go! Okay, he's gone. Let's go for a test drive.
Okay. That's... Okay, now that we're all buckled up, let's start up the engine.
Okay, now the engine started up. Yeah! Ow! Okay. Ow! No! Okay, our front wheels are over the edge. Whoa, it's so close to going over the edge. Oh no! Let's go! Ouch! That hurt. I'm going to the park, and I think we're going over the speed limit. Oh yeah. Let's go. I think we're almost there. We're at the park. We're at the park and we're gonna have fun. Okay, here we go. We're going down the stairs. Okay, here we go. Slide. It's pretty big. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna go down this tube. Ready, Toadette?
Yeah.
Okay. Here are the sides. This is gonna be fun. Okay. So you ready, Toadette? Yeah, ready than ever. I think. Okay, wanna do the bumpy slide? The smooth slide, or the train track looking side. Yeah! How high do you want to go on the swing, Toadette? Well, probably pretty high. Okay, let's do this. Okay. Okay. Woo! We feel like we're actually doing good and relaxing for once. actually finally relaxing. It's been so long since I just relaxed on a swing. Wow, we're getting kind of high. This kind of makes me start to get nervous. Ow! I'm gonna try and do a front flip off the swing. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ow! Well, you got dirty. I'll tell you, how do you like my new car? Yeah, it's fun. It even has our camera in it, so I just recorded all the fun we have. Yay! I guess it's time to go now. Yeah. Man, this park is fun. If you don't really get to do much of the stuff, maybe we can come back sometime and try to do it again. But now, it's time to go home.